Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to sell digital products on your Shopify store? In this video, we will walk you throughout the steps to set up and list digital products on Shopify, making it easy for your customers to buy and download. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, is let's go ahead and log into our Shopify account by going to shopify.com and then clicking on the login button, and there we go. Now make sure to also own a store within Shopify, which is gonna take from you less than a minute to create. So let me show you how. All stores, create store, and from here we simply have to skip all, click on next, and our account or website has been created, which has not been even a minute in the whole video. So now once we have done that, what do we need to do next is we need to add products to our website. So let's go here. As you might notice, there is this guide or the setup guide that will help us to complete our creation of the website and the setup of the website. You could either click here to add product, and in case you didn't have it, you could go to the left side and click on product, which is right here. Now on this menu, click on add product, and as you can see here, we have these as our products. Now as you might notice, this is for the product type. So we have here the things about the product, details about it, and a lot of things about the product. So as you might notice here, there is images, there is things to points, but how can we understand if there is if this is actually an option for digital products? So how can we allow this to be a digital product, not a physical product, since as you might notice here, there is nothing that actually tells us that this is a physical digital product. Since there is no button to upload the product that we have, there is nothing such like that, and I don't want to resell a physical product. So how can we fix that? So this is what I'm going to explain to you exactly. So here for this specific thing, we are going to be guided by Shopify Help Center, selling services or digital products. So when you add a product to your store, you can specify that you are selling digital product or service so that no shipping charges apply. If you are selling a digital product, then you will also need to use an app to provide a download link to your product. So on this page, we will learn a couple of things. First of all, removing the shipping for digital products. So go to product, from products, pick a product or create one. Optional, if the product has variants, then click on variant that you want to edit. In the shipping section, click the physical product checkbox to uncheck it. So let's go here all the way down, and let's find the shipping. And here, as you can see, this is a product, physical product. I have unchecked it, and once I have done that, the shipping informations, basically, or the price, has been removed. So now it's been known that it is a digital product for them. Also now we need the digital download apps, because here I don't want each time my client is buying from you, me going manually and send them the download or the app to them. For example, I have uploaded my digital product on Mediafire. I don't want to do this every time, copy the link, send it to my clients, but instead I want an automated process that's going to help me to make this happen once the payment proceeds. So what can we do? Download this app, which is digital download apps that will help us to download and sell digital files like ebooks, digital art, graphics, and more. So let's start by installing it. Click on install, and here we go. We should simply wait. Click on install. Let's wait a little bit more. And as you can see here, we can add now our first digital product download. So we can click here to add new product, and you should be having here your products. Since I didn't have any product yet, but here you will have the list of your products. Since I have 0 products, I have to create a new one. So let me just create a new one here. Template, like Excel template for teachers to track activity of their students. This Excel sheets, let's just give it like a small description here. This Excel sheets will help or something like that. I'm not really interested in making stuff, but yeah, working on it. This Excel would help with this product. I don't know, it's just right, whatever. There we go, and I think that's perfect. Yeah, let's just keep it as it is. Here for media, I'm going to upload this is just an image, this is not like the download thing, so I'm going just to add this image, which is gonna be our banner. And here let's give it a price, for example 150, which is $15. And here do not track quantity since it is basically unlimited. And that's pretty much it. Here we can give product type digital, and that's pretty much it. Now we have created our first product, so we can save it. And now if I refresh this, I should have it right there. So as you can see, this is the product, and there we have it. And as you may notice, it is like basically a digital product. So now if I want to digital downloads, I will find here my file or my products, and here I will find digital files. Add a digital file. So by clicking on it, we can now start uploading our files. So let's go here, choose my digital product to be my Excel sheet to be added, and as you can see, there we go, I have added it successfully. For the free version, guys, for the digital downloads free version, you will have a total size of 5 gigabytes. You cannot pass that. In case you want to add more files, then of course you have to pay more money. Now since we have added it, as you can see, there is one digital file attracted and connected to my product that I have just added and created. You will find here how many times it has been sold and how many times it has been downloaded. So once now the payment has proceeded and a client has bought your product, they will instantly be able to download this file straight from your website instead of waiting for you to actually check on the sales orders and sending them an email with a download link or whatever it is. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you do have any more questions, any more thing that you had or problems that you face, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer your question one by one. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.